Imagine this. It's Monday morning. You stumble into the kitchen, desperate for your daily caffeine fix. You load your trusty coffee maker, hit the brew button, and wait. But instead of the rich aroma of coffee, you're greeted by a sputtering sound and a puddle of water on the counter. Your coffee maker has failed, and your morning routine is ruined. This highlights a larger point, the importance of reliable processes. Failures can disrupt operations, impact quality, and pose safety risks. This is where failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, comes in. FMEA identifies and mitigates potential failures before they occur. It's a proactive tool that helps organizations anticipate problems. This proactive approach saves time, resources, and headaches in the long run. FMEA is a structured, team-oriented process that analyzes potential failures in a system, design, or process. It involves identifying potential failure modes, assessing their effects, and developing mitigation strategies to reduce their impact. The core purpose of FMEA is to prevent failures by proactively identifying and addressing their root causes. It's not about eliminating every single risk, but rather prioritizing the most critical ones and developing effective mitigation plans. FMEA helps organizations shift from a reactive approach to a proactive one. Instead of waiting for failures to occur and then reacting, FMEA encourages organizations to anticipate and prevent them. This proactive mindset leads to improved quality, enhanced reliability, and increased safety. By identifying potential failures early on, FMEA allows organizations to implement corrective actions before problems escalate. This saves time, resources, and prevents potential damage to reputation and customer satisfaction. FMEA is a valuable tool for continuous improvement. The FMEA process begins with assembling a cross-functional team with expertise in various areas. This ensures a comprehensive understanding of potential failure points. Next, the team defines the scope of the FMEA. This helps focus the team's efforts. The team then brainstorms potential failure modes. Each potential failure is documented. For each failure mode, the team assigns ratings for severity, occurrence, and detection. FMEA finds applications in various industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to software development and aerospace. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for any organization seeking to improve processes and mitigate risks. In manufacturing, FMEA helps identify potential defects in product design and manufacturing processes. This leads to improved product quality, reduced waste, and increased customer satisfaction. FMEA is a cornerstone of quality management in manufacturing. In healthcare, FMEA is used to analyze potential risks in medical procedures, equipment, and systems. This helps enhance patient safety, minimize medical errors, and improve the overall quality of care. FMEA is critical for patient safety. In software development, FMEA helps identify potential bugs and vulnerabilities in software code. This leads to more reliable software, reduced development costs, and improved user experience. FMEA is an essential part of the software development lifecycle. FMEA is more than just a risk management tool. It's a catalyst for continuous improvement. By proactively identifying and addressing potential failures, organizations can learn from their mistakes and improve their processes. FMEA fosters a culture of proactive risk management, encouraging organizations to anticipate and prevent problems rather than reacting to them. This proactive approach leads to greater efficiency, improved quality, and enhanced safety. By implementing FMEA, organizations can reduce costs associated with failures, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance their overall performance. FMEA is a valuable investment that pays off in the long run. FMEA is a powerful tool that empowers organizations to take control of their processes, mitigate risks, and achieve their goals. It's an essential component of a robust risk management strategy and a key driver of continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.